Hi everyone, in this video we will discuss one of my students' experience on selling on Amazon. She will share her journey. This is a recorded meeting with her and the group, the current student at the moment. She was kindly enough to attend the meeting so she can share her experience and how a small mistake cost her $4,000. So hi everyone, today we have special guest. She is kindly here to share her experience. She's one of my best students. Initially, Bushra, I want to ask you, what made you take the Amazon FBA course? That's the first question I need to ask you first.
Hi, good evening, everyone. Welcome to the to Wolf of Amazon. Wish you all the best, first of all, in your new journey with Dr. Horia. I was having a vacation actually, and I was browsing, then suddenly I saw Dr. Horia's advertising. Before I used to follow her because she was my I used to follow her before when she used to do the KDP, this is Kindle Direct Publishing, on 2017. And since then, I was following her. She was submitting very nice courses, and you can see that she is really legit. Whatever she's telling you is legit, is straight to the point, and the blueprint of all the process was sharing to us for free. So um, she
Thanks.
got loyalty. She got loyalty from her followers. So once I saw the ad of her FBA Amazon, I said that's the one. I should go for that. I should not miss it. And I clicked to buy the course, but unfortunately it was closed because she was overloaded with students. Then I was calling her, calling the admin and everyone to open for me
Yeah.
a vacancy. So I bought the course. It was last year, August. So I bought it, and she was posting every week.
Okay, wait for my questions. You've answered all of them.
Okay. I'm telling my story.
We're gonna get to that. So before we go into like when you got the course and then when did you launch? Because I think most people will ask you that question. I want to talk a bit about your background. So what's your background? Do you
Okay,
work
yes.
in, have a
I am,
family?
yes, I am a mom of two kids.
Okay,
I'm working in the airport as a retail support manager for
okay.
last 19 years now.
Wow, full
So
time?
yeah, full time, 7 to 3, and I have in my weekends.
Okay. So
So
basically, the question of this is basically to for anybody said they don't have time, yeah? She's got a family, she's got a full-time job, and she
yes,
managed to do her
exactly.
Amazon
No,
business.
you can manage, you can do it. Sure, you can do it. 2 or 3 hours a day, it's more than enough to reach the success, actually.
So, Bushra, you took the course in August, yes?
Yes,
And then when did you launch?
I launched January. I was looking for the product for almost a month.
Okay. Yeah, I
Okay,
know.
because you
We'll
should
get to
have,
that.
yeah.
So how did
Okay,
you
so okay,
finding the
I got the
product?
course, and it take me from August to January to finish the course and to prepare for my product to get it from China and to launch it. So January 15, I got my first sale on Amazon.
Okay. But you launched in January. Yeah,
Yes,
okay. So you launched. Basically, you finish the course immediately, start contacting suppliers. So if you launch
yes,
January, yeah, just about. I'm gonna ask you about finding a product. So when you were looking for product, I know you were struggling like everybody else. You were telling me, Doctor, I can't find a product. I've been looking for hundreds of products. I can't find one. And I
yeah.
kept telling you, just keep looking. You will find one. So how did you find that?
Yeah, because when doctor gives you the idea of how to find product, first of all, we shouldn't go for what we like. We should go for what people like, first of all. Secondly, we should take our time because that's the most important part of the law of the business actually is finding the right product. So, doctor, she's given from A to Z how to go filtering products. She will tell you, don't go for this, go for this. So we shouldn't add anything from our mind. We just really have to follow the steps.
So now that you've launched the first product,
Mm.
tell us about the result. How is the result?
Yes, I launched in the second month. Second month, my product is already stable. Since
Okay.
then, I'm getting 6K per month with 30% profits.
30%
Since
profit.
that time, yeah, since February up to now.
Okay. So
So
now,
it's
since
stable
you
now,
have this
ranking.
successful experience, how confident are you to get the second product now? You don't think it will
Sure,
be?
I'm 100% confident. I'm browsing already. I made up already my second listing. Second product is already produced. I'm just waiting to ship.
Mm.
So, because I'm sure that everyone can do it and it's a genuine and successful business. If you just give it your full attention, do it by detail, don't skip anything and don't bring anything from anywhere else. Your Bible will be the doctor's Horiya's course, really. It's a spoon feeding. So just follow the steps and you're gonna be successful. I am sure that's 100%. I can guarantee that.
Um, Bushra had a successful start. I'm not sure if you want me to share your experience of the second product. Can I
Second
share
product?
that?
Yes, yes, please.
So, so basically, what happened was when she had the successful product, and she was really excited to go and grab another product because she wanted to do that million plan very quickly. And at the time she asked me, she sent me a message, said, I'm looking for a second product and I want to launch it. And I said to her, just stay, like, I said, wait until your first product stabilize. You know, the whole, basically everything's going smooth. And then take each step like slowly. But what happened was, what happened? Tell us what happened.
Yeah, I missed one step. I trusted so much the
Supplier.
manufacturer, okay?
Mm.
And I said, it's okay. I know him. It's fine. I will not go for the stage of inspection because when your product is ready, you should send the company to do inspection for you. They're gonna send you a detailed report how the product look like, how is the shipments and everything. Me, I missed that part. So it's fine. It's gonna be similar because I didn't go far from the product. I just changed some bit changes to launch the second product,
Mm.
and that was my mistake where I paid a lot for that mistake. So please, please follow all the steps. Don't miss anything. Even it will cost you $100 or $200, 300, but it's fine. It's worth because really these people, and they didn't win the case. I lost like almost $4,000 and it was
So
my
she
mistake.
lost $4,000
Yes, for a
because
small
the second
mistake.
product, it was what? It came really bad quality, isn't it? She's
Yes,
getting
bad quality.
one
Yes,
star reviews after one star review. That's it.
yeah,
You can sell that product. She has to remove it
yes.
from Amazon and start all over. But the thing is with Bushra, I find she's
I
very
was in a
positive.
rush.
She's very positive though. Even though it's a bad experience on the second product, she just like brushed herself off and said, "Yes, I'm gonna do
Yeah,
it again."
immediately I requested a second shipment for the same product,
Inshallah.
and
Good.
I will delist that one. I will delist it and launch it again with the new shipment, new listing and everything. Yeah.
Mm.
So it happened, and I wish it will not happen to you. Okay. So that's my advice.
Sorry
Um,
there.
so guys, if you want to ask her questions, I think of
Yeah, sorry. What was the bit that you have missed out that
inspection.
causes all the
Inspection.
inspection part? Okay.
She shipped it without inspection, and the supplier gave her damaged goods, basically.